Welcome back to Instabills, everyone. Again, going over our intraday swing and long perspective. Again, check out the video after this. I'm going to be going over the Qs on the same perspectives. Again, looking at our spike here as we are respecting our 20-day moving average, looking to see if our 20-day moving average will curl and cross back over our 50 to continue on above the upper end of our channel and looking for that proof of concept. I'm going to go over exactly what this proof of concept would look like and what exactly our bearish case scenario would be if we were going to have a sell-off. I'm going to go over all this with you guys. Hit the like button if you enjoy, subscribe if you're new to the channel, and if you are a day trader, if you're looking for very volatile breakouts, we mentioned any pre-market news, any breakout that is worth looking at throughout the day, starting 2.5 hours before market open every single day. Go to instabills.com in the description below, and you will never miss a breakout alert today again. So jumping into the daily chart with you guys here on the spike, again, looking at our intraday perspective here, as you guys can see, again, sitting on a spike with a possible morning star on the upper end of our 20-day moving average. Again, a morning star is when you have a pullback and you get that doji candle coming in, and then you get a spike and also opening above our doji candle, showing us that morning star possible setup here. We're looking to see if we will continue with our 20-day crossing above our 50 here. We need that proof of concept. Even if we continue to respect our 20-day, we need that spike. We need a retest here, and then we need that continuation again to show us that we are engulfing and showing strength. So making sure that we do get that proof of concept will be very key. So intraday, I would be looking to see if we can break above our 400 level. Again, having more room to run to the upside than on the Qs, in my opinion. So again, SPY better than the Qs here intraday if we do continue on above 400. Again, that would be a quick intraday play, but ultimately you have to look for that possible rejection for that retest here on the upper end of our channel, expecting that retest, as again, bulls will very much take profit, and then bears will come in looking to see if we can respect our upper channel. And then if we can, then we will get that proof of concept again on the upper end of our channel for swings and longs. Now, as you guys can see on our MACD, again, showing our strength, we do have our EMA lines crossing above the median of MACD, just like we have on the Qs. We do have our increase in buy pressure, looking for a continuation on that increase in buy pressure, giving us that proof of concept here going into this week. This is the watch, similar to the Qs. Again, we did like that close on Friday with that increase in buy pressure, giving us that possible bullish outlook. But again, very much looking for confirmation going into this week. And the reason why is because, again, now going into our swing perspective, as we are looking at our intraday perspective, we still have our 20 EMA that is just below the median of MACD. So again, swings, very much looking for that continuation going into this week. And in my opinion, that would be that proof of concept if our EMA lines did cross above the median of MACD. We do like that we are testing our upper channel. Again, on the Qs here on the tech sector, again, we are testing the upper end of our descending wedge here. So again, we have a pattern here on the Qs, but on the SPY here, we are looking to see if we will break above the upper end of our channel and get our 20 weekly moving average to finally cross above our 50 weekly moving average. As you guys can see, we do have our 20 crossing below our 50. We had that continuation on this momentum to the downside. So what needs to happen here for swings to be confident is going to be, again, our 20 weekly moving average crossing above our 50 and continuing to respect it and getting that proof of concept on the daily chart. Now, looking at our overall strength here, looking at our overall momentum, again, looking at the monthly chart, as you guys can see here, again, we are still above our 50 monthly moving average. We are looking to see if we can at least close above the upper end of our channel here and possibly retest our 20-day moving average here, and again, possibly continue on past it. That's what we're looking for going to this week. Again, on the Qs, on the monthly chart, in my opinion, we are still sitting below our 50 monthly moving average. So we still need to break above our 50 monthly moving average on the Qs to show that we are possibly getting that momentum on continuation strength on the SPY. So again, being cautious long still, in my opinion, is very key. We still do need, again, our EMA lines here on the MACD to cross higher, our 12 crossing back over our 26 here on the monthly chart. As you guys can see on the daily chart, again, we do have that short-term spike here with our EMA lines crossing above the median of MACD. However, on the weekly chart, we still have our EMA lines below the median of MACD. We're a little early as far as swings go. And then as far as longs, again, similar here, very early. We still have that overall possible bearish outlook if we continue on with our EMA lines crossing lower. Once we get our EMA lines crossing higher on the monthly chart, then we will be very confident continuing to the upside as far as swings and longs. But again, intraday, in my opinion, like I said, that 400 level jumping into a 408 is what I would be looking for as far as a continuation on higher, in my opinion, to the downside. Looking for more confirmation. I would be looking for a possible engulfing candle going into this week, possibly really quickly dropping below here and then continuing on lower, respecting our 20-day to the downside as we do possibly curl over. And again, with GDP and initial jobless claims, there's going to be a lot of volatility coming into Thursday, just keeping that in mind. Now, again, with that said, if you are a day trader, if you're looking for very volatile breakouts, any breakout that is worth looking at throughout the day, any news that you need to be watching, we mentioned in the Instabills room 2.5 hours before market open, every single day. Go to instables.com in the description below. And for only $15 a month, you will never miss a breakout alert today. Again, all of you instables, again, I really appreciate you guys coming over and supporting the channel every single day. Again, I am going over the Qs in the next video. So again, check out that video if you guys want to. But again, I really appreciate your guys' support. Much love to every one of you guys continuing to take what the market gives us and being cautious as we are testing our upper channel once again after getting rejections multiple times prior. We'll see exactly what happens. And again, if you guys do like this video, it does help the channel grow. And I do appreciate it very much. And again, God bless you all. And I'll see you guys in pre-market.